Quail egg jangjorim recipe. Introduction. Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Korean cuisine with a flavorful recipe, mekwari jangjorim, a delicious dish made with quail eggs simmered in a savory soy-based sauce. This dish is perfect as a side dish or a snack. Join us as we guide you through each step of creating this delightful Korean classic. Ingredients for mekwari jangjorim: quail eggs, soy sauce, water, sugar, minced garlic, sesame oil, sesame seeds, optional Korean red chili pepper flakes gochugaru for a spicy kick. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the quail eggs. Let's start by preparing the star ingredient of our mekwari jangjorim, the quail eggs. Gently place the quail eggs in a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, let the eggs cook for about 5 minutes. This will give you perfectly cooked quail eggs with a slightly soft yolk. Drain the hot water and transfer the eggs to a bowl of cold water. This will help in easy peeling. Step to peel the quail eggs. Gently tap the quail eggs on a hard surface to crack the shell. Then, carefully peel the shells, revealing the beautifully cooked eggs. Rinse the peeled eggs to remove any bits of shell. Step 3. Prepare the sauce. In a pot, combine 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Optional if you like a bit of heat. You can add a pinch of Korean red chili pepper flakes gochugaru for a spicy twist. Place the pot over medium heat and bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Step 4. Simmer the eggs. Add the peeled quail eggs to the simmering sauce. Make sure they are fully submerged in the liquid. Let the eggs simmer in the sauce for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will allow the eggs to absorb the flavors of the sauce. Step 5. Finish and serve. After simmering, turn off the heat and let the eggs cool in the sauce. Once cooled, transfer the eggs and sauce to a serving dish. Drizzle a bit of sesame oil over the top for extra flavor. Sprinkle sesame seeds over the dish for added texture and visual appeal. Step 6. Enjoy your creation. Your mekwari jangjorim is now ready to be enjoyed. These savory quail eggs make for a delightful side dish or a snack. You can serve them on their own or alongside a bowl of steamed rice. Conclusion. And there you have it, a dish of delicious mekwari jangjorim, a Korean treat that's both flavorful and comforting. This dish showcases the art of creating depth of flavor through simple ingredients and simmering. We hope you enjoy making and savoring this Korean classic. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure.